So, guys, we are Joe and Priya. We are based out of Kochi and very, very passionately building this opportunity. My background, I have almost 18 years of IT experience. Did my MBA from IIM Bangalore in 2009. And that is when I saw this opportunity. And I'm very, very fortunate to be part of Samadjit and Minati's organization.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. I'm Priya. I have around 16 years of experience in IT. And we used to be in Bangalore. Around 3 years ago, we moved to Kochi. And we have a 5-year-old kid, and we are settled now in Kochi.
Awesome, guys. That is our background. So, what is our topic today? Let me come to that. Right, we have many of us have been HWL clients. Right, we did the healthy weight loss program ourselves. We have lost significant amount of weight. We have gained our health back, and today, and someone has shared this opportunity with us. Maybe in the last few days or last few weeks, someone would have shared this wonderful, wonderful opportunity to make a difference in society. Right, help someone else also. Right now, once you have seen this opportunity, there are multiple possibilities that is out there. Right, you might be very excited. Right? You'll be like, wow, what an opportunity. Right, I can help people, I can create income, I can be happy, I can use my free time. Right, or you might be skeptic. Oh, will this work? Can I ever do what these people are doing? Can I coach someone? Will this work for me? You might be skeptic, or you might be completely confused. Like, should I even take up this opportunity or not? Right, that all these possibilities are there. But first thing, congratulations. Right, because very few get selected. First of all, you are fortunate that you are part of this opportunity. You have been invited to see this opportunity, because trust me, your life is going to change from this day, provided you take it seriously. All right, so you have taken a great decision. Now the question is how to make that decision right. We believe that there is no wrong or right decisions. We take a decision and you make that decision right, and that is exactly what we have done. So we are going to talk about, if you are a healthy weight loss client who has been shown this opportunity now, what are the next things that you can do so that you can start off in the right manner. So I'll talk about my experience. Right, I got started many years back, saw this opportunity. I was very skeptic. I'll be very frank, I was very skeptic. But luckily, I had one of the best to guide me. Samadjit and Minati were those people who were guiding me. And trust me, if not for that guidance, I would not have reached anywhere. Right, so that is very important. Who's guiding you? Getting the right mentor is important, and you are fortunate that you all have the right mentors with you. The second thing is what you do. Right, the coach can be the same. So I have people joining my organization also. I have been coaching them. My instructions to them, my love for them, my expectations from them, it's all the same. But that doesn't mean that all of them succeed. Why? Because what they do differs. You have to understand that it is a voluntary organization. Joe or Priya cannot force anyone to do anything, just like Sam and Minty could not force us to do anything. Right, but there are certain things that I did as a new person which has helped me in getting success in this opportunity. So Priya will share her experience.
So my background is, I actually started this business because opportunity, basically, because Joe was in this, right? Joe saw the long-term vision. Joe saw how exciting it could be, how he could help a lot of people, and he started. And I was, just a spouse. Okay, joining him, a little bit confused, little bit skeptical, do not know why I was there, right? And I'm sure many of you sitting here might be in the same position that I was in a couple of years ago, where you saw something good, but you don't know why, right? And I can tell you for sure, because I figured out my why, today, our life has completely changed. The reason I had the confusion was, we were a couple, both of us were working, we had a decently good income, we were comfortable. There was no need of an extra money or something where I couldn't figure out why we needed all these things in life. But the moment I figured out, I can say today we are one of those people. Like in lockdown, I hear a lot of couples saying, right, they're just waiting to get out of the house, or many divorces are happening, and they just want an opportunity to be away from each other. But we as a family have grown, right? When Joe was going into senior positions in the industry, he was asked to travel a lot. I had a lot of on-site pressure on me, but we wanted to be together. And this opportunity gave us the chance to be together. We are in the fittest of shape that we could be in our lives. Personally, when I saw healthy weight loss and physical exercise, it was not my cup of tea. I didn't know anything to do with workouts or becoming healthy. But I realized that because I took that step towards my health, I'm almost touching 40, but still I'm the best shape. We have invested a lot in health. We have a personal trainer coaching us every day to become healthy. And financially, I can't thank more because of this opportunity. I can frankly say we have replaced both our incomes. There's nothing more or something better that we could thank for. And we are in the best place and best shape that we could be because of this today.
Awesome, guys. But this is very easy to tell all these things right now, right? When we got started, we were very skeptic, like most of you were, right? So we want to tell you what did we do or how can you bridge the gap? Please understand this. If you know what we know today, you will be super excited, not just because of the financial benefits, because of the emotional benefits that you can get, because the number of people whom you can influence and change their lives in a health way as well as financially is unbelievable. But unfortunately or fortunately, you don't know this right now. That gap has to be covered up, and that's what we are going to talk about. So we are going to talk about four main things. The first thing that you should know is get yourself educated. Right now, we come, as Priya said, no, we don't come from a fitness background. Yeah, I used to play a lot. I used to play football, cricket. I was a sports secretary in IIM Bangalore. So I used to play a lot. That doesn't mean that I knew much about diets or about supplements, nothing. Right. So that was my first gap I had to cover, because I had to learn about nutrition. We are mostly into healthy weight loss. Right. So I had to study about nutrition, about supplements, and especially about the healthy weight loss science. But good thing was there were people to help me. My coach was more than willing to help me. And I had to go through certain books to study about all this. And these books were recommended by my coach to me. I either got a soft copy or I could buy these books. These books were not expensive. And when I learned about the science behind this, nutrition, supplements, who gets the most benefit? I and my family gets the most benefit. So that's the first thing. Get yourself educated about nutrition, about healthy weight loss science, right? Second thing, we don't come from a business background. I come from IIM Bangalore, did my MBA from IIM Bangalore, but unfortunately, none of the professors there has ever done a business, right? They're all theoretically amazing people. I would always give them a lot of importance in my life because they have said a lot of right things for me. But business, practically, I have to learn. And this is one opportunity where I could learn from people who are actually building this business. I learned about statistics. What you have to understand is, let us say 100 people reach out to you for weight loss. They show interest. Say, I want to lose weight. Can you help me? Right? What happens is 10 to 15% might start the healthy weight loss program immediately. Around 60-70% will take time. They will say, let me think about it. And they will come back months later, sometimes a year later, they'll come back and get started. And there might be a 10% who will be completely negative. Oh, no, supplements, absolutely no. And in fact, they might try to tell you also that it doesn't work. Right. And luckily, because you have done the healthy weight loss program yourself and you have done your education on nutrition and science, you won't be affected if you have done that education. If you have not done that education, one of these last category of people can affect you a lot. So this is regarding nutrition and the mindset required to build this opportunity. Next thing is, how is the money divided? That also is a confusion, right? For me, I'm a mathematical person. Everyone need not be, but I'm a mathematical person, right? Because I'm an engineer, I'm a mathematician. So I wanted to understand how money would be given to me. Depending on the turnover that I generate, how is this money calculated? How is it shared? All these things were extremely important for me. So I sat with my coach. I understood these things. I also had this confusion that, oh, finally, isn't this a pyramid? But then I got that answer also. I got to understand that a person who starts after many years can make much more income than someone who has started it, right? And that is something we all need to know. So what I loved about this opportunity, apart from the benefits that we give to our clients, getting wonderful feedback, all those things are good. But what I loved was I can take control of my finances. In my company, I have absolutely no clue next year what hikes I'm going to get, or will I get a promotion. All those things are completely out of my hands. Someone's whims and fancies and the company's performance, all those things matter. Here, what matters is my performance, me and my organization's performance. I have complete control over it, and I love that actually, right? And best thing is everyone encourages me. Not only my coaches, people who have absolutely nothing to do with my business also would love to encourage me, because they understand that there are not only few positions available there. Everyone can succeed. And when we succeed, please understand, when we succeed, lot of people's life is changing financially, as well as a lot of people's health is getting improved. That is the beauty of it. Read a lot of books, right? One of the books I would recommend about nutrition is What Your Doctor Doesn't Know About Nutritional Medicine That Is Killing You, right? Very, very important. Read that book, understand, right? Where else can you get education from? Functions, right? We have two major functions that happens every week. One is known as PACE, Product Awareness and System Education, which usually happens on Saturdays, but check with your coaches what day it happens. Usually a 1 or 1.5 hour session on Zoom. If you can spend 1.5 hours of your life where you are not disturbed by anyone, you are in a corner with your video on, with a notebook and pen, just the way you took every other serious education in your life. If you take it that seriously, within 5 weeks, you would have enough knowledge to take this business or this opportunity apart and help a lot of people. So take 1.5 hours to attend PACE every week. And then we have open get-togethers, which usually happens on Sunday mornings. Again, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Get back to your coaches and ask how you can be part of these get-togethers. Because in these open get-togethers, you get to listen from our founders, right? So much knowledge. I mean, imagine this. You get, if I want to be a cricketer and I get instruction or guidance from a Virat Kohli, what would stop me from going there? I mean, even if it takes me to come from Kochi all the way to Delhi for each of those sessions, I'm serious about becoming successful in cricket. I would run for that session. I might pay lakhs for that session actually. But here you don't have to pay a single rupee, just have to focus, listen. And great thing about this organization is, for every new person, we have a wonderful, wonderful designed boot camp. What is a boot camp? Every Sunday evening for 5 weeks. 5 weeks, you have a 2-hour session, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., where the leaders of this organization, the best of the best, would be sharing different aspects of this opportunity, right? First session would be by our founders, Amarjit and Minati. We'll talk about the mindset required to build this opportunity. That itself will just change your life 360 degree. Right? So make sure that you attend boot camps 5 weeks. So I would tell everyone who's getting started with this opportunity, give yourself 5 weeks boot camp, attend it, and you will, at the end of 5 weeks, you will understand that the only question mark in this opportunity is not the healthy weight loss. It's not this opportunity. It is you. And you will take a decision that, wow, I can change myself and this opportunity will work for me. And through me, a lot of people's life can change.
At the same time, my story was a little different because I was there, because Joe was here. I had to understand why that excitement was not there, right? So we should always understand that in this business, there's no longer a guy or a girl. Okay, we as individuals perform everything. So Joe has the business running with all the steps that he's talking about now, and I have the business running, doing all the steps. So I'm just talking from a point of a person who joined with your spouse, or because you're not very sure why you're here. So basically, I understood that Joe was able to get very productive, and he understood the science, the mindset, the statistics, and everything because of education. And I had a clear lack of that knowledge, and because of that, there was a lack of excitement. So what I had to do was get into the education program myself, understand why I was building this, understand what I needed to know about the nutrition, healthy weight loss, the mindset, the statistics, the calculations, and go through the boot camp myself. The moment the education gap is built, the business as a couple itself becomes very easy because we talk the same language. We are focused on the same goals. That is the most important, that we get ourselves educated, because frankly speaking, information can come from anywhere. We can get educated from our friends, we can educated from TV, YouTube, but always get educated from the right source. And your best source right now as a new person is your coach, because he is the most successful in this opportunity as of this moment. So coming to this, now we know about the education. That is the first step. As a new person, we know that that's all mental. That's all over here. Second, we have work to do, right? In this opportunity, we have some work to do, and we work with the concept called as pull marketing, right? So pull marketing works very differently from any other sources where you see where we can't go to people and ask them, hey, you want to lose weight? No, that doesn't ring out right. So pull marketing is where people come to us and they ask us, I want help. I want to lose 10 kgs. What is Reshape Nation? Can you make me fit? All these questions come to us, where people ask us these questions. So that is where, since we work in that concept, we need to know what is the work around it to get these people to ping us or to ask us this question. So the first step, as a new person, what I would do is take my personal HWL program very seriously, right? Get in the fittest shape possible. Take enough photos. Frankly, a lot of us have made this mistake. When we were overweight, we took no photos, and then we are looking for our before photos, right? So take enough photos, take enough videos, take enough of this and keep them, because your coach will show them how to use it effectively. And that is the first content that you will have, where you will inspire a lot of people around you that they want to lose weight because they saw your personal story. Right? So that is the first thing to create work, is to first keep our personal content and videos and our journey ready with all the photos, right? Second is generating these leads. So Reshape Nation as a community, all of us together also have put together wonderful contents. There are a lot of channels at Sam and Miniti's level, which they have created different contents of people with transformations, paper, Google contents, write-ups, a lot of things are there where we can use it and we can post. So what we do right now is we post 5 times a day in 6 channels, right? There are 6 channels we use mainly for social media. That is, one is WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So all these channels we post 5 times a day. And that's it. That's it. What you have to do as a new person, you will get people and you will inspire them to ping you and ask what this program is about, right? So when I started this, obviously this question came to my mind. I don't know about Instagram. I don't even have an Instagram account. Facebook, I had barely around 200 connections. I don't think anybody around me needs this. I don't know any fat people. All these questions came. Will I be able to help? I don't know coaching. So that is where our work starts. Your coach will guide you how to add. Basically, first we have to get our own profile in good shape, right? So my social media was filled with jokes and forwards and good morning messages, which I had to clean up. Right? Clean up, make it a fitness profile, make it presentable. Basically, my Facebook became my resume, right? Got it in good shape, and a lot of people could come and see that I'm involved with the mission of obesity-free India, right? So 5 posts a day, and the moment people start posting, a lot of you will get inquiries, right? What is this Reshape Nation? How can I lose weight? How can I, is there any money? Are there supplements involved? As a new person, what I would tell you, see, initially I used to answer all of them. In fact, I would spend 1 hour trying to convince that person to just connect to my coach, tell my whole experience of the program. And then I understood that is not how it works, because I am not qualified to do it at the initial level. So your initial inquiry handling would be, your coach would have a set of question and answers. Basically, with my experience, I have seen around 5 to 6 question and answers. This is the same 5, 6 questions people ask. Get those answers. Your only job is to connect them with your coach. Edify your coach so that you know that when they connect with your coach, they will pick the call and the timing is kept. So edify the coach in the way that I would say that, if I'm connecting to Joe, I went through this healthy weight loss, and I can say Joe is one of the best coaches with Reshape Nation. He has completely transformed my life. And you would be very lucky to get coached by him. I will set up an appointment, but please do keep that half an hour free, because he is a very busy person. He coaches a lot of people, and he will tell you exactly what you need to do in this program and how you can become healthy too, right? And fix that appointment. That's all you need to do as a new person. And then the work becomes easy. You don't need to spend hours chatting with them or talking to them. And this is what I would do from the work wise, that is posting, getting your social media ready, keeping a lot of contents, personal contents ready, and edify your coach to connect them for the consultations.
Great. So apart from that, one very important difference, the mindset difference between a job and an opportunity like this, a voluntary opportunity, right, is this. In a job, someone gives you work every single day, right? Every single day you have some work assigned to you and you do that work. But in this opportunity, you have to understand that no one will assign work to you. You will be finding leads yourself and you will be doing your own stuff. So you have to set goals for yourself. Your coaches can help you, but finally those goals are kept by you, right? They will guide you what would be a good goal to keep. But set those goals, because you need to know what you're working towards. So in the first month, let us say you have started this opportunity today, your idea would be to reach a level known as 9%, where you can create close to 1.2 lakhs of turnover. Now 1.2 lakhs looks, oh my God, too much, right? But it's a matter of helping 6 people get started with their healthy weight loss program, right? And we discussed about the statistics, right? If 6 people have to get started on the healthy weight loss program, it's a matter of 20 people inquiring with you about what is Reshape Nation or how does this work. If you can get 20 people to inquire, and which, as Priya said, if you do 5 posts a day and you have your own weight loss to show, it will be much more. 9% is nothing. You can actually aim for 2.4 lakhs of turnover also, but it is totally up to you. There is no pressure here, but that is a good thing and a bad thing. For certain people, pressure works, right? They like someone telling them what to do. But unfortunately, here your coaches cannot do that. It's a voluntary organization. Your coach cannot come and tell you, do this, do that, do that. That is a manager's job. Your coach is not a manager here, right? So you have to keep these goals for yourself. You can communicate that to your coaches. Your coaches will help you achieve those goals. And it's very easy. As I told you, work on the statistics. Once you understand the statistics, you will know exactly what you need to do to achieve those goals. Okay. So that is the amount of work that you can do initially. There's nothing much, just work with your. The third thing, we talked about educating yourself. We talk about the work involved initially. The third thing that is optional, but wonderful, wonderful thing that you can do is to find partners for your business, right? Now, most of you are healthy weight loss clients who got good results, and you were invited by your coaches saying that, why don't you also help others? And you said, yes, this is a good option. It's a wonderful mission that we have called Mission Obesity Free India. And that is how you might have got started. Now, initially, once someone sees your transformation, they get started in the healthy weight loss program. They will take at least a month to lose some significant weight, where you can ask them about an opportunity that you see you have lost weight. Wonderful program. This is, why don't you also think about becoming a coach, right? That takes time. But before that, let us say you are a kind of person who knows a lot of people, and you have been discussing with a lot of people about starting something of your own, right? You were an ambitious person and you have access to a lot of ambitious people around you. You can invite them directly to become a coach, to become a partner. So that possibility is there, and you should use that possibility also, right? Why? Because it's a wonderful, wonderful mission that we are talking about here. It's a big mission, and we need help from a lot of people to achieve this mission of Mission Obesity Free India. Right now, if you ask me today, this is a wonderful opportunity, even if there was no financial prospects in it. Even if there was no, financial prospects is there. It's huge. It's unbelievable. We told, right? We have replaced a full-time 18-year-old both salaries, right? That's huge. But then even if financial prospect is not, it's wonderful. So how do you invite people to join you in this Mission Obesity Free India? talk about your coach or the speaker who's going to share this opportunity. Your idea is not to share this opportunity where you try to explain everything over a phone call. That is not the idea. You're too new to do that. Just like you get someone to come to your coach for the HWL consultation, similarly, you need to invite them to a planned showing session, which happens usually on Saturday, 4 p.m. Or maybe your coaches or your senior coach might be doing some sessions at your level. You have to find that out and invite them. Again, your coaches will have exact scripts to use. Please do this professionally. Understand how to do it. Practice it 1 or 2 times with your coaches. And also understand there are statistics, the same statistics at play here also, right? It's 10% who will say, wow, what a great mission. I want to be part of this. There'll be around 70-80% who will be confused. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't have time. It will be there. There will be 10 to 15% who will say, oh, you have been fooled. Don't get into this. Such people will also be there. So please get yourself educated first before you do this. Because end of the day, the healthy weight loss also, we don't convince anyone. We cannot actually, right? We help people who wants to start. We are just transferring our belief to them. Here also, when we are finding partners, sharing this opportunity also, we are passing our belief to people. So your belief is very important in this opportunity. So that is why getting yourself educated, understanding everything, and then getting into this finding partners would be a good idea. But how much time does the education take? If you ask me, in a week's time, you can learn about this opportunity. You don't need not know too much about the healthy weight loss when you come to finding partners, but how the money calculation is done, all those things, it's good to know, right? So understand the statistics, but please understand there are a lot of fit people out there who are looking for an opportunity, especially during COVID times. They've lost jobs. There are a lot of ladies out there who might be housewives. They're very, very passionate people, very, very ambitious people. But unfortunately, because of whatever reason, they're not able to do a full-time job, right? And they would love this opportunity. And we have so many such examples of such people who have reached out to us and thanked us for such an opportunity. Okay.
So I would say that the invitation script, keep it very, very simple, right? So basically we are here to find partners, people who will work with us, who are want to do something just like Joe said, but they don't have a chance to do it. They're not aware of it, that they can. There is a financial income also attached to it. So I would keep that script very simple. I would tell my story. Okay, I would say that I too started as an HWL client. And thank goodness, my coach is the one who helped me, right? Who helped me transform myself. I'm in the best shape. I'm very fit and healthy. And I was able to lose around 15 kgs because of this healthy weight loss transformation. But as I got to my goal, my coach also asked me, would you like to join this mission of Obesity-Free India and help others too? Because there are a lot of people around us looking. And along with helping this mission, you can also do something apart from your job where there is a financial aspect to it, where you can make some money, right? And our idea is not to explain this opportunity. I would have spent hours explaining this, but that never led to anything. Just like Joe said, my aim is to bring the person to the Saturday 4 p.m. plan, where a leader like Sanchayan will be showing the opportunity to people. And my aim is to bring them so that they get to hear from the right person rather than me explaining the whole opportunity. So once they come there, then your work is easy. So that is where finding partners and the script works.
So guys, I hope you understand why partners are required. Sometimes as a new person, you might get confused. Oh, recruitment, right? See, every company, every organization is basically a group of people. Usually we do it with employees, right? You have to pay them a salary. You teach them everything, they vanish. Or you do it with partners. That's what we do. And partners is a much, much better option because these partners will give their heart and soul. You can help them. You will give them all your knowledge, all the knowledge that you have, right? You won't pick and choose, right? Like you do when you do your KT sessions to a lateral recruiter. But here you will give out your heart to your partners. You want your partners to succeed. And that is the beauty of this opportunity, right? So there is nothing wrong in recruitment. Again, it's a mindset issue that you need to work on. Every business on the face of earth needs to recruit. Every business. But initially, I didn't understand this. Luckily, I needed my coach to make me understand this concept of recruitment and partnering with people. Okay.
So we understood the first three steps, the education part, what is the work involved, okay, and how to get partners. Now, this is the most important, I would say, right? Because it's called communication with your coach. Because with my experience, I have seen a lot of people. They come into the opportunity very excited. They see that it can happen, and they communicate every single day. They say this is what we're going through. All these things happen, and they become productive. They are able to make money, and they grow into leaders. Right. And there is another set of people who come with the same way. We all have the same platform, the same opportunity. But after a few weeks, they just say, this is not working for me. Right. And what happened? Most of the time, it is this gap of communication. The coach has no idea what has happened. Right. So that is why we understood that this first initial days, we have to be in very tight relationship with our coach. And here we call it HPH. Okay. And the moment you do an HPH with your coach almost on daily basis, you can tell what you're feeling, what are the questions you're getting from your relatives, your friends, your prospects, everybody, right? And the coach has the right answers for all of them. Situations in your life, in your work, whatever is happening, the more you open up, they can give you the right answers. So the easiest way, what I found is start sending something called as a daily accountability message to your coach, because that gives a clear picture of what is happening every day. The moment you send that DAM, you get a good idea, the coach gets a good idea of what is happening, and that opens up the communication lines, right? And they can guide you accordingly. And if you can open up more and more. So I have a pretty good relationship with my coach. Minati at any point of time knows what is happening here, right? So that is what I would advise each of you, be very close to your coach. See, coach will be handling a lot of people. Okay. So if you don't communicate, we assume that everything is fine, right? So the relationship initiative should come from us, that we can tell them what is happening, and they will know exactly how to pace your business. So there are people who will, you will be hearing, right? They come and just bombard a lot of PV, 4,000 PV in the first month, and your PV may not be moving and wondering what is happening. There are other people who are going through a lot of life situations. So that pace can be set by your coach if he can communicate. So that is why a senior coach and communication is the most important. In fact, even after you understand, you graduate your boot camp and you become core, this is one step that I think has helped us a lot. Me and Joe have been completely transparent. There is nothing that Sam and Minty would not know about our business or our life. So, and that has helped us a lot. And I would say all the new people learn this. It takes some time, but learn this and it can help you change your business.
Correct. One more way of getting communications done is through functions. Sometimes you might have access to only the person who's invited you, right? But in these functions, you get to see other people who are helping your coach also. So if needed, you can ask your coach and get connected to your senior coaches also, because you might be able to get more understanding from a different person, as long as that person has an incentive to help you, right? Obviously, you need to connect with the person who has an incentive to help you. But understand that there are senior coaches who will help you provided you are willing. Right? This is a very important thing. Again, as I was telling you earlier, no one can force you here. This is your opportunity. You are the one who have to reach out to your coaches and tell, coach, this is what I am ready to do, or this is what I'm planning to do, or this is my situation today. What do you think I can do? You can be very, very open to them, right? Because this relationship, if you take it seriously, is for life, is for generations actually. Our kids will be in touch with our coaches' kids. That is the kind of relationship that you want to build, because it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful future that is in store for all of us.
So, and now all this we know, right? We know that we have to do all these four steps. These are pretty simple, and realize that the same platform is available to all of us. But the most important thing I found is figure out why you want to do this. Right? If you don't know why you want to do an opportunity, or you want to, share in this mission of, helping people, or do something for yourself apart from what you're regularly already busy with, there are situations in life that can easily take you out. Right? So, for example, I have 16 years in my job. right? There have been many situations where there was a delivery. I have worked through the night. I had my mother in hospital. In the hospital, I was logged in typing. My kid was in hospital. I have worked all these things. I never ever, found it difficult then because I had to do it and it was a job, right? But when in this business, when the same situation comes, right? Small things like a guest came home or I have to travel suddenly today, suddenly even posting becomes a stress. That is because the why was never clear. It may take you some time, right? But figure out the why. The moment you realize why you need this and how much happiness and what it can provide for you, all these things become very easy. Actually, it becomes a lot of joy doing this. We have a lot of fun together doing all these activities. We enjoy the process, and that is why figuring out your why is very important. Otherwise, small things can take you out.
Awesome, guys. So we'll just talk about some of the whys, guys. I did the healthy weight loss program. I was at 85 kilos. I went down to 69, 70, and I would have stopped it there if I was just a client. And I don't know what would have happened, right? Chances of me maintaining my health would have been very, very low. But what I've done right now is both of us. I come from at least a fitness background, a little bit of sports I used to play, and I used to play badminton almost every day. But Priya has never been into any fitness activity. I've tried my best to get her to come and play badminton with me. She was not ready. That kind of background. She runs marathons now, and you have no idea how proud I'm of her. Right? Today, both of us, we go to the gym and we have a personal trainer, and we push ourselves to be the best shape. And we have the same trainer, so that the trainer pushes Priya also quite a lot, right? I am concerned sometimes, oh my god, but then she is fighting through it, and it's so beautiful to see this actually, right? So our health is top class right now. Our fitness level is top class right now. I remember Priya used to have a very severe back pain many years back, and anytime we go anywhere, I had to carry all the suitcases. Today, we don't have to do that. Priya will pick up more weight than me. That is how strong she has become. It's amazing. Can't give any value to this, guys, any financial value to this. This is unbelievable. Second, emotional well-being. You won't believe it. There are people in whom we have directly or indirectly helped, who had PCOS, who have recovered. There are people who could not conceive because of these issues, and they have come back to us crying, saying that they have been able to conceive because they have gotten over those issues. Right? I have a client of mine who have been admitted to hospital before this program multiple times because of his high sugar levels. Today, he is completely off medication. Doctors told that you don't have to take any medication. Right? So wonderful. And there are cards that we have got from multiple places thanking us for what we are doing. As I told you, right, 18 years of IT, I am Bangalore, lot of colleagues, lot of friendships built across, but no one will ever tell that, Joe, you have changed my life. Never. Yeah, you have cracked a joke with me. You have had some good times with you. But here, already in the last 2 to 3 years, we have so many people who would vouch for this, that you have changed their life. Unbelievable feeling. And apart from all this financial, right? I'm a person who don't like spending money, right? But then today, because of the income that is coming up, apart from our full-time jobs, somewhere you will have to do something with that money, right? And that's what we do, right? I'm able to spend that extra. I'm able to give my wife, my kid, the best possible life today. Right? Our dreams have become much, much, much more bigger today. All this because of this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. But having said that, if you knew all this, it's very easy. If you know very well where you reach in life, anyone will do it. But we didn't know this. But what we did was we decided to start, and we decided to give our best, nothing less than the best. Right? That's what we did, especially in the first 5 weeks. We built a wonderful, wonderful relationship with our coaches, and we knew that they have only our best intentions in mind. Right? So you guys can also do that. It's a place where not only will you change your life, because of you, so many people can change their lives also. Welcome to our group, and we sure we'll work together and make things happen. Thank you.